guys, we're gonna be playing with kinetic sand. Guys, 7. The fish. Kinetic sand. I love it. I love it so much, guys. Let's go next to my surprise toy. Let's just put this back. Let's put it back, guys. Next. Huh? Here they have Benny. Oh my God. Sheila. Ayla. I will just call it Ayla because I don't know what the name is, so let's call it Ayla. Oh my gosh.
Ma'am, di madito pinalpas ka dilang business ni ano. Kasi nalako ikabi mo di business ma'am ka dira yung foreign exchange rate na baliwa.
Foreign exchange rate lang.
Awanti gasol.
Next, guys. We got some prize toy. We're gonna be unboxing. Let's go. Guys, we're back. We got some prize toy ready. OMG. I'm so excited, guys. What is gonna be inside, guys? Comment down below. Oh, I'm so excited, guys.
Ano ba ma'am?
Be quiet.
Post picture ma'am.
Oh my God,
Dito
guys,
ay
I'm ready.
picture.
3, 2,
I-message ko ni
1.
Bombo, tapos i-save ko, tapos i-ano.
Nakaduma lang nga. Trabaho na rin.
Awan, dito mo, madi-upload din dito.
Mommy, why are you away me? Oh my God, guys, my mom sees. See the plastic balloon. We got clay.
Dalagang mami.
Gummy. What's this?
Ano yun lang ma'am,
I don't know, is this a puzzle or something? Oh yeah, I think this is a puzzle.
By Jasmine, naging mas delta. Fishball na.
Okay, let's... Let's go, guys. Guys, it's barely done. Guys, I'm like looking at it, how to do it. How to even do this. Oh, I think I get it. Oh my God! Bye, guys. I don't know this. Let's just throw it. Bye.